Look around you right now. Your phone, your shoes, even the pen on your desk. Chances are, they all came from one country, China. But here's the shocking truth. Just 40 years ago, China was dirt poor. Today, it's the world's factory. So how did it pull off the fastest industrial miracle in history? And can your country copy the same blueprint? Welcome to Wealth Boss Academy, the channel where we reveal the hidden playbooks behind wealth, power, and global success stories. If you're serious about building wealth and understanding how nations and businesses rise, hit that subscribe button right now and drop a comment. Do you think your country could be the next world's factory? I'll be responding to the first 100 comments. In the late 1970s, China was one of the poorest countries on Earth. Nearly 9 in 10 people lived in extreme poverty. Industry was stagnant. Private business was banned, and the outside world barely traded with China. But in 1978, everything changed. Deng Xiaoping, China's new leader, launched reforms that would alter history. He called it reform and opening up. And it started small, but it would turn China into the global powerhouse we know today. China didn't flip overnight. They started with experiments, special economic zones, places where foreign investors could set up factories with fewer rules, lower taxes, and cheap land. The first SEZ was Shenzhen, just a fishing village back then. Today, it's a megacity with more than 17 million people, home to giants like Huawei and Tencent. These zones worked. They attracted billions in foreign capital, technology, and know-how. Factories mushroomed, jobs exploded, and soon the whole country began to industrialize. Why did companies flock to China? Simple: scale. No other country had such a massive, disciplined workforce, willing to work long hours at low wages. Entire villages became factories. Families turned homes into workshops. Every household contributed. It wasn't just cheap labor. It was an unstoppable network of small producers feeding into larger supply chains. China didn't just build random factories. They built clusters. Yiwu became the world's market for small commodities, from Christmas decorations to phone chargers. Fujian specialized in shoes, Guangdong in textiles, Shenzhen in electronics. When one street makes screws, the next makes plastic shells, and another assembles. Costs fall, speed increases, and innovation explodes. That's the secret of China's manufacturing ecosystems. Factories alone aren't enough. China poured billions into infrastructure, ports, highways, railroads, power plants. This meant raw materials could arrive faster, goods could ship out quicker, and factories never stopped for lack of electricity. By the 2000s, China had the most advanced logistics network in the developing world. In 2001, China joined the World Trade Organization. That was the turning point. Tariffs dropped. Global companies rushed in. Suddenly, the world wasn't just buying from China. It was relying on China. By 2010, China had overtaken the United States as the world's largest manufacturer. But China didn't stop at making t-shirts and toys. They reinvested profits into research, automation, and high-tech industries. Today, China makes drones, 5G networks, and even rockets. It's no longer just the world's factory, it's becoming the world's innovation lab. Now, here's the question. Can other countries copy China's playbook? The answer, yes, but it's hard. Here's the 5-step roadmap any country could follow. 1. Start small. Pick one product niche. 2. Create mini industrial zones with easy rules and shared services. 3. Support micro factories with credit, and training. 4. Attract anchor buyers who place consistent orders. 5. Build infrastructure and digital platforms to link local producers to global markets. It's not magic. It's discipline, focus, and scale. But let's be real. This path comes with costs. China paid a heavy price: pollution, inequality, harsh working conditions. And as wages rise, some factories are moving to cheaper countries. So if your nation tries this, it must prepare for rising wages, stricter environmental rules, and global competition. So here we are, from dirt poor to world's factory in just 40 years. The blueprint is there. The opportunity is real. The only question is, which country is bold enough to follow it? Drop your answer in the comments. Could it be Nigeria, India, Brazil, or maybe your own nation? You've been watching Wealth Boss Academy, where we decode wealth and power for everyday people. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our last video where we uncovered the truth about why 90% of people stay broke and how you won't.